I'm up here in Northern California at the base of a earthen dam. And this is a national forest. And this is not private property. There isn't any private property in this section. It's just somebody's awesome little fishing shack. Looks like some people are trying to keep the ceiling from falling. Nice little outhouse. This is a really neat little shack. Got stairs going on up. Look, it even still has the funky tile. Yeah, this is pretty neat. Let's check out some more of the earthen dam. Why don't you see this view? Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, so here we go, the Spillway area. Nice wooden deck. It's been retrofitted. Don't know when. See the steel girders? And I'll show you why here in a few seconds. And it all goes down into that nice big pond. And there's another spillway over there. We'll be checking out that here in a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, this is how I went down. So that's how they're keeping the water back. There might have been gates here at one time. But it's just letting just enough water out. I just can't get over this view. And somebody's fishing boat's over there. They're probably camped somewhere in the woods. There's a lot of neat little roads that weren't even on any maps going off into the trees. There we get a better view from under. You can see how some of the water's still coming through. Oh, someone's bobbing. I've already found a couple bobbins. Yeah, that's pretty. Let's check out the other one. This probably has not been turned in a very long time. Yeah, thought you guys might appreciate this. I'll catch you on the next one.